In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete empty rows in Excel. Organizing your data in Excel can often involve removing unnecessary empty rows that make your spreadsheet look cluttered or interfere with your data analysis. Whether you're tidying up a report or preparing data for analysis, removing these empty rows is a simple process that can significantly improve the neatness and functionality of your document. So let's dive into the steps to achieve a cleaner spreadsheet. First and foremost, you'll need to access Excel. Nowadays, Microsoft 365 offers a convenient online version of Excel that you can access for free. This is particularly useful if you're not near your personal computer but still need to work on your spreadsheets. To get started, visit the official Microsoft 365 online website. Once there, look for the sign-in option. This process is straightforward, requiring you to enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you're not already signed up, I recommend taking a moment to create an account. It's handy not just for Excel, but for accessing the whole suite of Microsoft's productivity tools online. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Excel file that contains the empty rows you wish to delete. Possibly you've stored this document in OneDrive or SharePoint if you're collaborating with others. If so, you can easily locate the file within your online storage or the recent documents section if you've worked on it recently. Upon opening your document, you'll notice your data laid out just as if you were working in the desktop version of Excel. Now take a moment to scan your spreadsheet for the empty rows you're looking to delete. You might have just a few rows to remove, or perhaps dozens, depending on the size of your dataset. To delete these rows, you'll start by highlighting them. Click on the row number on the left side of your screen to select a single row. For multiple rows, click and drag over the row numbers or use the Ctrl key on your keyboard to select non-adjacent rows individually. With your empty rows highlighted, the next step is quite simple, but makes all the difference. Look for the delete option within the Excel toolbar. Depending on your version of Excel Online, this might appear under the Home tab or a similar editing section. Once you find it, click on Delete Rows. This action will immediately remove the highlighted empty rows from your spreadsheet, making your data look more organized and easier to analyze. A few additional tips when deleting rows in Excel include always making sure you're only selecting empty rows that don't contain any hidden data you might want to keep. Sometimes what appears to be an empty row could contain spaces or formulas that aren't immediately visible. A quick check by clicking on the cells can save you from accidentally deleting important data. Also, if you're working on a particularly large data set, consider filtering your data first to identify and isolate the empty rows faster. This can be especially helpful in spreadsheets where empty rows are scattered throughout the document. Remember, the online version of Excel is a powerful tool that shares many features with its desktop counterpart. However, it's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the unique aspects of the online interface to ensure a smooth editing process. Plus, the convenience of accessing and editing your spreadsheets from anywhere cannot be overstated. In sum, deleting empty rows in your Excel spreadsheet is a quick and easy process. It helps in maintaining a clean, organized dataset, which in turn facilitates better data analysis and presentation. By following the steps we've just gone through, you can ensure that your spreadsheets are always in tip-top shape, ready for whatever task you have at hand. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to removing those pesky empty rows from your Excel documents efficiently. Whether you're prepping data for a presentation or simply tidying up, this simple process is sure to make your spreadsheet work a breeze.